everybody. So today in this video I'm going to be doing a kind of review video of some Pinku Kult items. Now Pinku Kult is a brand that was created by Hannah, who created some of my wonderful artwork. They're incredible. This one is by Hannah, this one is by Hannah, I have a bat on my arm that's by Hannah, my corner tattoo is by Hannah. Anyway, yeah, I created this brand and I love everything. The brand started I think a couple of years ago now, and started as a Kickstarter and has kind of progressed from there to this huge brand. Like Hannah is huge on TikTok now because of just awesomeness that is everything that's Pinku Kult. Anyway, I'm rambling, but yeah, go and check out Pinku Kult on their website. They sell a whole bunch of amazing stuff, and if you kind of like the Japanese themed dark occult kind of look thing, Pinku Kult is for you. It's for me. I adore it. And the fact that they are now doing like bigger sizes and stuff, I'm so happy. I can finally buy all the t-shirts and just be like, give me them all. Anyway, so today I'm not doing a review of the clothing items, of which I have a few, and there's like pins and stuff and a whole bunch of stuff. But today I am doing a review of the makeup items. Now I have 3 of them. There was only 4 that were released, but I got 3 of them. I got 2 of the matte lipsticks, and there was another one which I don't think the colour would have suited me, so I didn't buy that one. It was like a brighter pink, as well as this, which is the absolutely gorgeous, beautiful, wonderful makeup palette. I won't show you that yet. I'm going to talk about the lipsticks first. So I have the lipsticks Mori, which, in case you didn't see, I am wearing on my lips right now. And this one, I never know how you pronounce this word, yandere, I think. Anyway, this is like a softer pink kind of colour. It goes on my lips a little bit darker, so it does end up looking like a bit more red than pink. But I'm fine with that. It's really nice. And yeah, as you can see, I'm wearing the black on my lips right now. Now, every time that I have tried to buy like a matte black lipstick, it has never gone well. It's never like stayed on my lips or felt nice when it was going on my lips. I never thought that it was a good fit for me. Like, they always felt like they were going to move around and they were going to be gone in a minute. So this is incredibly pigmented. You can probably tell that on my lips right now, but the thing is with this is you hardly have to use any. This lipstick was literally like going like this, like taking out the wand and then putting some of the product back in, because you know you'd never use a full wand if you don't need to. Like doing that, most of the product is off there, and then putting it on your lips. And it is so pigmented and beautiful. I just can't believe how pigmented it is. And once it's dry, it's not going anywhere. It's incredible. This, I don't know where Hannah gets these made, but these are incredible. And I hope that there's like a more, what I hope for. Okay, we've got the Blackest of Black. I would really love like the lightest nude colour. Like, I always get nude colours and they are always still too dark for me. If this formula was in like a really pale nude, to essentially just, you know, just erase your lips, that would be perfect. In this formula, it would be incredible. As for this one, I've used it a couple of times. Do really like it. I haven't used it as much as I would like to because, you know, everyone's wearing masks and no one can see your makeup. When you put all your effort into your eyes and your lips, no one's going to see it. So yeah, I've kind of been saving it for when we are able to not wear masks. But I'll do a couple of swatches for you. Again, you don't need a lot of this at all. I'm going to put a little swatchy swatch here. Oh no, I'm gonna have to wipe all of the product off of here again to give you an idea. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I am gonna get most of the product off of this, and then I'm gonna see how far it goes, okay? See how pigmented that is still? We're still going. I know I'm just smearing black lipstick on my hand at the moment, but this is to give you an idea of how pigmented it is when you literally have one, not even much product on. You see that? That's the tiniest amount. I know that looks stupid, but it is genuinely. Look at that pigment, and once that dries, that's just looks incredible. Next, we are looking at the amazing eyeshadow palette. This is incredible. Like, I cannot believe how good this is for, like, not a makeup brand, but just like, you'd expect this to be like from an actual makeup brand, not like a small business brand. You wouldn't expect that, but this is incredible. So it's called Lovesick, and it has got Shihan, I think she's called, on the front, and then it says Pinku Kult. On the back it has the mask and then the pentagram, all the ingredients down here, so you know you're fine with all the ingredients. We don't have a mirror, which I'm glad for, because I never use the mirrors in these anyway, and let's face it, that looks better than a mirror any day. That looks awesome. So here are the colours. They are so nice. These are just, you can tell by my hair, these colours are all me, and the fact that all of the colours in this match this tattoo, like every one of these colours is in this tattoo. I love that. So here we have Lovesick, which is this beautiful, I'm going to come a little bit closer, this beautiful sparkly pink colour. We have Reaper, which is this muted pink kind of colour, not quite baby pink, but tiny bit more purple in it, I'd say. Then we have Kult Member, which is a nude matte colour. We have Shihan, which is a sparkly blue, tealy, slightly teal, but not, it's blue. Then we have Devotion, which is a very, very sparkly whitey colour. We have Megumi, which is a very, very pigmented, gorgeous, deeper, bright pink. That's probably my favourite. Then we have Heartache, which is the sparkly, which is a shimmery kind of lavender colour. We have got Jealousy, which is a teal, a jade teal kind of colour. That's a matte. And then we have Shinigami, which is a matte black. So yeah, they're all of our colours, and I have used this palette today, in case you're wondering. I have got the darker pink here, I've got some of the lighter pink in the inner corner, the highlight is the Devotion, and then underneath I have got Jealousy. Is it Jealousy, or have I got the other one? Shihan. I've got Shihan underneath my eyes. And I love it. Like, the pigment on these is actually incredible. I was not expecting anything near the pigmentation that I got from this. I am very happy. The colours are so buildable. They blend together really nicely. Even the matte colours with the shimmery colours, they blend together so nicely. And yeah, I have had zero problem with this so far. The only problem I had was the first day of trying it, I decided I wanted to wear all of the colours all at once, and it ended up being a bit of a muddy mess, but that was on me for trying to use all of the colours at once. So I think, yeah, I'm just a massive fan of this. Should we do swatches? I think we should do swatches. So this one is Lovesick. Lovesick, the shimmery pink. I still have got black lipstick all over my hand, so I do apologise for that. That one is Reaper. That one is Kult Member. This one here. Let me see if I can wipe my hands and go in again. That one is Shihan. That one is Devotion. That one is Megumi. Extra. That one at the bottom is Heartache, the kind of lavender kind of colour. That one is Jealousy. And last but not least, Shinigami. That is that one there. I could probably make that one darker if I just went in with another layer, but yeah, I'm very impressed with like the colours on these. Like the black, I was surprised at how dark the black was. I was, you know, you get these palettes and you have a black in there and then it never ends up actually being properly black. This one is as black as they come, I'd say. There is only one colour that kind of maybe could do with improving, and for me that is Devotion, which is this white colour. The Devotion is a very loose powder, so I feel like that one is the only one that I've had a couple of struggles with, but like once you've eventually like broken down the pigment, I think it does work well with the other colours, so I can't complain too much, but that is the only one that I have had any problems with whatsoever. But yeah, the other ones, they are all so beautiful, and as I say, actually all of my tattoos are these colours, so yeah, this is my ideal little makeup palette. Okay, so that is my video. It's not that great, it's not that in-depth. I'm not used to reviewing makeup anymore. I used to do it all the time, I don't anymore. But yeah, that is it. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed this video. If you want to follow me on Instagram, all that stuff, I will be posting more videos and the like, and I will see you all again in the very near future, hopefully. So adios.